Hi, this is Pradeep Kumar Reddy. In this video, I'm going to show a demo of my third game app in Play Store. It's a Tetris game app. Here are the screenshots. This game is developed using Flutter. Let's see the demo. This is my Tetris game app in Play Store. So here, when we click on Start button, blocks of different shapes, one at a time, will start falling from the top of the game area. What we need to do is we need to move and rotate the blocks appropriately using swipe and tap gestures on the game area and arrange those blocks in horizontal lines. When we complete one horizontal line without any holes, the score will increase by 100. So that was the intro of the game. Let's play the game. Start. The game controls are shown here. Move, swipe, tap to rotate. So now one line is complete and the score is increased by 100. We can click on end button and end the game anytime we want. Start again. So the game will end when the blocks reach the top of the game area. Now I'll show you how the game will end. As I said, when the blocks reach the top of the game area, the game will end. We can start again. So that was the demo of this game. That's all for this video. Play Store link of the app will be given in the video description. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.